For today's video, update tayo sa ating strawberry. So today, hindi tayo nag-pick dito sa garden na ito. Ayan, maraming hinog. Ayan. So papakita ko sa inyo guys ang ating strawberry. Ayan, marami siyang hinog, maraming bunga. Ayan. Yun, look at this. Absolutely, marami yan. Maraming bunga. Marami ng hinog. Yan, my goodness. You see that? See that? See. Yan, that will be excited tomorrow. Or Saturday. So today is Wednesday afternoon. So Saturday, we're gonna be officially open for the season.